What's going on, Gurus? So, the stage is set in the Eastern Conference Finals against the Boston Celtics and the Orlando Magic. Now, the Orlando Magic have been harder than your own mom. Yeah, even more harder than your own mom. I mean, I'm not saying your mom was hard, but that the Orlando Magic have been so hard, nobody stopped them. They beat the Atlanta Hawks by 101 points. Now think about it. If you played somebody one-on-one and you lost by 101 points, then you're not that damn good. And the Magic are so damn good. That's why in the beginning of the NBA playoffs, when it all first started, I had them winning the whole thing. Not the Cleveland Cavaliers, not the Lakers, not the Spurs, but I had the Orlando Magic winning the whole thing. One of the things I had the Magic winning is because of the big man in the middle, Dwight aka Superman Howard. With his leadership and with Vince Carter, Nelson, Lewis, J.J. Redick, and the bench, Jason Williams, they could win the championship. Now, if they face the Lakers in the finals like they did last year, they will have home court advantage, something that they didn't have last year, which I thought was crucial. Because if you have home court advantage in the playoffs, especially in the finals, that's big. And if you could win 2 games in home in the finals, that's saying something. That's why I'm picking the Orlando Magic against the Boston Celtics in 5. But my gut feeling is Magic will win in 6, but don't be surprised if they win in 5. In the Western Conference, you get the Lakers and the high-flying Suns, led by Quasimodo Steve Nash, Amar'e Stoudemire, and Channing Frye, Grant Hill, and Lopez. I mean, those guys have been so hard to make your mom look ugly. Yeah, I made a mom joke. Yeah, so in the Western Conference, we have the Lakers and the Suns, and the Lakers have a veteran leadership in Kobe Bryant, Paul Gasol, and Lamar Odom. And you could throw on fucking Gasol in there, and that's whatever his name is. So in the Western Conference, I like the Lakers in 7, but I wouldn't be surprised if Phoenix won in 7, because those 2 teams are the best in the Western Conference. So I'm picking the Lakers in 7. I'm not 100% sure if the Lakers will win in 7, but I'm going with Lakers in 7, but won't be surprised if the Suns win in 7. So in my finals, I got the Lakers against the Orlando Magic, and the Magic will win in 6 games, and that's the bottom line, because I said so. And this is the Sports Guru, and I approve this video.